What if I told you the future of business software may not have dashboards at all? No endless tabs, no jumping between platforms, no employees buried inside disconnected systems all day long, because something massive is starting to happen in modern business. We're entering the era of AI operating systems. And once this shift fully arrives, most businesses will never work the same way again. This is Will AI, Wilton, the automation guy avatar. While the real Wilton is out there helping companies redesign operations with AI and automation, he asked me to sit down with you for a few minutes and talk about a shift most businesses still haven't realized is already happening. Right now, most companies operate inside software chaos. One dashboard for CRM, another for accounting, another for customer support, another for marketing, another for project management, another for reporting, and suddenly employees spend half their day doing one thing: navigating software, tabs everywhere, notifications everywhere, constant switching between systems, not because the work is difficult, but because the systems are fragmented. And this is the hidden operational problem nobody talks about. Businesses don't just have a workload problem anymore, they have an interface problem. Too many tools, too many disconnected systems, too many dashboards competing for attention. But AI is beginning to change this completely, because the next evolution of business software isn't more dashboards. It's operational AI layers sitting above the software itself, meaning instead of humans manually operating every tool, AI coordinates the systems behind the scenes. Think about what that means. Instead of opening 5 different platforms to complete a task, an employee simply gives instructions, and the AI operating system handles the execution, updating records, moving information, triggering workflows, coordinating approvals, generating reports, assigning tasks, following up automatically, all across multiple systems at once. This is where enterprise AI is moving right now, not towards smarter apps, towards smarter operations. And eventually, most dashboards may become invisible because businesses won't operate software directly anymore. They'll supervise AI systems that operate the software for them. That changes the role of employees entirely. The future employee may not spend most of their day clicking buttons. They'll supervise workflows, monitor outcomes, approve exceptions, guide operations,
and manage AI execution systems. This is why AI agents and operational AI systems are becoming such a major conversation right now. Because businesses are realizing something important. The real bottleneck isn't lack of software, it's operational friction between software. And the companies that solve that friction first will move dramatically faster than everyone else. That's why the future belongs to businesses building AI operational command centers, not businesses adding more dashboards. Because eventually, the companies growing the fastest won't be the ones with the most employees using software. They'll be the ones with AI systems running operations behind the scenes. And the businesses that understand this shift early will build an advantage that becomes very difficult to catch later. Because the future of work may not be humans operating software anymore. It may be humans supervising AI operating systems. If your business is trying to understand how AI, automation, and operational systems are reshaping modern companies, visit scalethroughautomation.io and join the free STA AI and Automation Center community to learn how businesses are building smarter operational systems with AI and automation.